Hello. So here I have listed a couple of the soft skills that I think are needed for a poultry production field of interest that I'm interested in going into. The first one that I have listed is communication. I think this is a necessary soft skill because specifically with like a flock supervisor job, you visit each farm each week and you have to communicate with the grower and with any problems that you see or that they have or bring up, as well as usually leaving them like a written report of the status of the birds or any problems that they are that need to be fixed and addressed that week. The second skill that I have is judgment and decision making. I think this is a important skill that you have because you have to be able to judge the environment that the birds are in, judge how they're doing, health wise or anything like that, and then able to make a decision based on your judgment and to appropriately help them or effectively use your ability to like help the farmer or whatever and get him back going straight. The third one that I have listed is monitoring. Um, this is a big skill where you're basically monitoring the flock each week and keeping up with different things that are brought up or how they're doing, and you have to report these things back to the processing plant or their main hub so that things can be addressed appropriately. The next skill that I have listed is the operation analysis. I think this is more of helping the farmer operate the farm. This could be helping them, find equipment or helping them pick out the right equipment and the right to use it, in the right way. I think that is a big skill. It's kind of broad, but it's a key role in operating a poultry farm. And then the last skill that I have is management. That's also a broad skill, I think, but this could be from time man. This could include time management of helping the farmer. Most flocks are 12 weeks. Some go long as like 18 to 20 weeks. So there's a time range that you have to, work with, and time management can be a big deal in growing the birds in the appropriate time manner. So management and is a big skill, and I think there's probably a lot more that there could be listed, but these are the main ones that I think are necessary and big in the poultry production field. So I think these are necessary to communicate and explain.